So this is a very Mexican breakfast. Can't remember what he said it was. I know he said something about tortillas, said something about eggs, he said something about salsa, queso, and I see carrots and green peas, but I don't know. Don't even remember what it's called, but of course I'm gonna do the taste, and yeah, of course I will tell you all about. Now you saw me talking to Andrea, our server. This girl is crazy. Look at this meal that this girl has had the chef put together for me. Listen, it's not even my birthday. Let us just continue the birthday celebration in October. Look at this. Oh my god. Pescado, langosta, clams, arroz. Listen, it should be illegal. Look at the guac over there. It's so good.